Okay, starting with numerical number 14. Two wires of the same material and same cross section are stretched on a sonometer. Now, of the same material and same cross section means the linear density of first wire is equal to linear density of the second wire. One wire is loaded with 1.5 kg and another is loaded with 6 kg. Means the tension 1 is 1.5 kg and tension 2 is 6 kg. The vibrating length of first wire is 60 centimeter, that is 60 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, and its fundamental frequency of the vibration, matlab fundamental frequency of first wire is the same as that of the second wire. Means the fundamental frequency of first wire is equal to the fundamental frequency of the second wire. Fine. Calculate the vibrating length of the other wire. Means L2 is to be found. We have the formula for fundamental frequency of the vibrating string, that is 1 upon 2L under root T upon M. For first wire it will be L1 T1 upon M1 ratio N2. So 1 upon 2 L2 under root T2 upon M2. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now what is the condition? N1 is equal to N2. If N1 is equal to N1 is equal to N2 means this left hand side is equal, so right hand side will also be equal, that is 1 upon L1 under root T1 upon M1 will be equal to 1 upon L2 T2 upon M2, right? Now if I take squaring, if I square on both the sides, squaring on both the sides, so what will happen? It will become 1 upon L1 square. Square and square root cancels on this term, so this becomes T1 upon M1. Then 1 ones are 1. L2 ka square and square cancels, so here it is T2 upon M2. Now what else we have? M1 is equal to M2, so M1 and M2 cancels. Now what I am asked, L2. Take this L2 on left hand side. L2 is taken on left hand side. What is left over here? Just T2. Okay, L2 ka square. Don't forget the square. Now whatever terms are over here, I'll take it on this side. T1 is in the numerator, so T1 will come in the denominator. L1 square will go in the numerator. Now I'll just substitute the values and calculate. Let's substitute and calculate. What is T2? T2 is 6 upon T1. T1 is 1.5 into L1 का square into 60 into 10 raised to minus 2 का square. ठीक है, this is my L1 का square. Now if I take this square on this side, so it will be square root of 6 upon 1.5 into 60 into 10 raised to minus 2 का square. So what remains inside the square root is just 6 upon 1.5, and ye square and square roots cancel, so 60 into 10 raised to minus 2 comes out of the square root. Now we'll solve this term, square root of. Now if I want to make it as 15, after point I have just one digit, so it will be 6 into 10 upon 15. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. So in square root we have 2, this term as it is, that is 60 into 10 raised to minus 2. Square root में 2 बार 2 है, तो 1 बार 2 बाहर. Now we got the answer as 2 6 are 12, ये 0, so it is 120 into 10 raised to minus 2. We'll shift the points to 2 digits. The point is over here, 1 2, so it is 1.2. Length of L2 is 1.2 meter.